spread the Krishna Katha? Who can spread? Krishna himself. Krishna Bande Jagadguru. Krishna himself, he spread his own katha to everybody. So in our Guru Parampara, who is original Guru?
Krishna.
Krishna hite Chaturmu, Ghan Krishna Sevanmu, Brahma hite Naradira Mati, Narado hite Vyas, Madhyapayan Vyatijas. That means Krishna himself told all his katha. Here Krishna is Narayan. Told his katha to Brahma. So our Guru Parampara, first Guru, who is first Guru? Krishna. Then Guru Parampara, Krishna. Then Krishna to Brahma. Brahma to Narad. Narad to Vyas. Vyas to Sukadeva Goswami. In this way, this Hari Katha, Krishna Katha is coming from Golok Vrindavan to this material world. So that is called the original Guru, that is called Krishna. Krishna Bande Jagadguru. I offer my obeisance to the feet of Krishna, who is called the universal Guru. Jagadguru. Krishna actually Jagadguru. Then Krishna Bande Jagadguru. Then Krishna, he gave all his potency in the heart of Brahma. Then Brahmaji, he realized everything. Then Brahmaji, he told this katha to Narad Rishi. Narad Rishi, then he told this katha to Vyasadeva. Vyasadeva, he told this katha to Sukadeva Goswami Pad. So in this way, Nigama Kalpataru Galita Phalam Sukamkhat Amritam Drava Sanjutam Pipata Bhagavadara Samalam Guru Rasika Bhuvi Bhagu. Then Vedas is as like the desert tree, Kalpavriksha. That desert tree is Kalpavriksha. Fruits, that is called Srimad Bhagavatam. And that fruits completely what? Ripen and completely full of juice. No any seeds, no any, what is called, skin, rasamala, and full of mellows, rasamala. And if any fruit have no skin, pill, so if it is coming down, that will be what? Spray, what is called? Split. So for this, that juicy fruit, completely ripened juicy fruit, coming from Golok Vrindavan in our Guru Parampara. Understand this thing? That means Srimad Bhagavad Katha is called the completely juicy fruits. And no any skin, no seeds, anything. That means no karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Only rasa rasana, prema ras inside. Srimad Bhagavatam, there is called prema rasa grantha. What did he say? Prema rasa grantha. Full of divine mellows of divine love. So this grantha, these fruits, and also touch with the beak of the parrot. Here parrot means Sukadeva Goswami. Suk Pakshi. Here Sukadeva Goswami is called Suka Pakshi. Then given an example, if the fruit completely ripen and touch with the beak of the parrot, that will be more tasteful and suitable. So Sukadeva Goswami, that means Suka Pakshi has Sukadeva Goswami, and he also recited the same verse. Same verse told to Krishna by Narayan to Brahmaji. That got Chatusloki Bhagavad. Then coming to Brahma to Narad Rishi. Then Narad Rishi come to Vyasadeva. And now Sukadeva Goswami Suka Pakshi, he also touched which is big and so tasteful. Why? Why Vyasadeva Katha, same Bhagavad Katha recited by Brahma, recited by Narad, Vyas, that is not so tasteful. So why Sukadeva Goswami, that means Suka Pakshi, recited this verse, is very sweet and tasteful. Why? Sukha Mukhat Amritam Drava Samjutam. Sukha Mukhat, Here Sukmukhat means Sukadev Goswami. That means Srimad Bhagavatam recited by Sukadev Goswami. That is very tasteful. Why? Actual reason is that Sukadev Goswami Pad, that means in his previous life, he was very nearest, dearest of Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Sukha. Yeah? Srimati Radhika's very nearest, dearest, the parrot. Srimati Radhika herself, a nourishment, that is called parrot, baby parrot. And Srimati Radhika, she taught to him how to recite this verse, how to do these things. And as like mother feeds the baby, mother feeds the food to the baby. How? The small baby cannot eat. Mother taking that the food and also sometimes chewing herself. And chewing, and her own remnant, she also feed her baby. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she herself fed this Amrit, Srimad Bhagavata Amrit Katha, to Sukadev Goswami, that is called Sukapakshi. So for this regard, Srimati, that Katha is what? Srimati Radhika's. And Srimati Radhika's remnant, who took Sukapakshi. And now same Sukapakshi has come and manifested in the form of Sukadev Goswami. And also this Katha he recited. For this regard, this is very sweety, tasty and realizable. Because this is, Amrit is coming from where? Krishna's nectar, Krishna's Amrit. Krishna's Amrit and Radhika's Amrit. Which nectar is higher? Srimati Radhika's. And Krishna himself told, that was Krishna himself told this Bhagavad Katha. To whom? Brahmaji. This is also sweet nectar. That is called Chatusloki Bhagavad. 4 slokas. Lord Narayan, he told to Brahmaji. But when Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he recited this verse and learned everything from actual Srimati Radhika. Though he had not mentioned, but here there is Srimati Radhika's Amrit. Amrit means nectar. What is the Amrit? Srimati Radhika's remnant. So who took Srimati Radhika's remnant? Sukadeva Goswami Pad. In the previous life, Sukapakshi, parrot. For this regard, this Katha is what? So Amrit. Though Srimati Radhika is saying, hey Krishna, your Katha is Amrit. But who actually really glorified Krishna Katha? Krishna or Srimati Radhika? Srimati Radhika, she always glorified our Krishna Katha. Another thing, Srimati Radhika, she is called Asray Tattva. And Krishna is called Vishay Tattva. So Asray Vigraha, and when recited this verse, that is more what is called sweeter than the Vishay Tattva. So Srimati Radhika, she recited this verse and she fit this remnants, her remnants to Sukapakshi. Then Sukadeva Goswami Pad has come. So for this regard, Sukha Mukhat Amritam. Sukha Mukhat. Sukadeva Goswami Pad recited. That is so sweet and tasty. Srimati Radhika, she did not give her remnants to anyone. She gave her the remnants, Bhagavad Katha, to whom? Sukadeva Goswami or Sukha. For this regard, very tasty. So now come in this way. So this is what Nigama Kalpataru Kalita Palam Sukha Mukhat Amrita Drava Samjita Pibata Bhagavata Rasamalem Mumuru Rasika. Those who are Rasik and very exalted devotee and Bhavuk and Rasik, they can relish this Premamai Katha, Bhagavad Katha, Prem Katha. Kurmi Gyani Yogis, actually they cannot relish this next sweet nectar of Srimad Bhagavatam. Gyanis, they are reading all Srimad Bhagavatam. Especially Mayavadis. They are thinking, oh, we are very learned scholar. But actually they cannot to relish the sweet nectar from the Srimad Bhagavatam. Yogis also do not. For me also not possible. So here, this only those who are high class, exalted, Rasik, sadhu, they can relish. So now is coming the Vyasa Vistararthe iti Vyasa. That means one who spread Krishna Katha. Everybody also spread the Krishna Katha. Vyasa means Vistara. Actually, here the original Vyasa I told who is Krishna. But Krishna, again, he also gave his potency to Vyasadeva. What is his name? Krishna Dvaipayan Vedavyas. Krishna Dvaipayan Vedavyas. His name is called Krishna. He is the incarnation of Krishna. Understand? Two meanings. Krishna means he is the incarnation of Krishna. Which incarnation of Krishna? Yesterday I told. Saptavesh avatar. Sakti Avesh. That means Lord, he gave his potency, Sakti, in the heart of Vyasadeva. So he is called Saptavesh avatar. But many kinds of Saptavesh avatar. Yesterday I told. What is it called? Jnana Saptavesh avatar. Bhakti. Narad Rishi, he is called the Bhakta. Bhakti Avesh. Bhakta Avesh. Avesh means to absorb. And Vyasadeva, he is called the Jnana Avesh avatar. Jnana Avesh avatar.
He's asking if the bona fide guru is like we can call Shaktavesh avatar. There's bona fide gurus.
Bona fide, yes. When Krishna manifested his the potency in the Guru, that time Guru, he spread this Katha. As like Bhaktivedanta Sai Maharaj, Gurudev many times also explained. He is the incarnation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Shakti. Otherwise, no one can spread the holy names all over the world. Many people are speaking Harikatha. But Bhaktivedanta Sai Maharaj is unique and unparalleled. Understand? For this regard, Gurudev, when he glorified to Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj life history, he used this word. He is called the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Saktavesh, Sakti. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Ama Vina Sankirtan Dharma Nahi Pracharite. Without this mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu, no one can spread the Krishna Katha, Nam Sankirtan. So that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu gave his potency in the heart of Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. So for this regard, he spread holy names, Nam Sankirtan. He preached Nam Sankirtan all over. Gurudev many times, he also glorified about Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. In our Krishna consciousness, 90% devotees are coming from where? Inspired by Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. Do you understand? So Gurudev, he glorified. Actually, he is the incarnation and potency of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For this regard, he preached all over the world Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So now with the Vyasa. Vyasa Vistararthe. So now we coming. Who is original Vyasa? Who is original Vyasa? Krishna. Krishna spread all his own katha to Brahmaji. Brahmaji told Narad. Naradji told Vyasadeva Goswami. Krishna Dvaipayan Vedavyas. And Krishna Dvaipayan Vedavyas told to Sukadeva Goswami. Actually, Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he is acting this Leela. Actually, he already knew Srimad Bhagavad Gita from Srimati Radhika. Eh? Now in this Leela, just he is listening Bhagavad Katha from Vasudev. Actually he already heard. From whom? Srimati Radhika. Eh? Understand? As like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, listening Krishna Katha from, what is his name? Rai Ramananda. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan, he knows everything, but acting the role. So in the same way, Sukadeva Goswami, in his Suk parrot, that time he already took the remnants of Srimati Radhika. What is the remnant? Krishna Katha Mantra. Eh? And now acting the role as like an innocent baby and listening. Eh? Because teaching to us, how will you achieve our highest perfection in our disciplic succession, Guru Parampara. So Guru Parampara is coming in this way. Krishna hite chaturmu, on Krishna sevanmu, Brahma hite naradero mati, narado huite vyas, madhya kahene dasara, Purna pragya padmana bhagavati. This is the Guru. Acting the role. This. So Vyas Krishna, his name is called Krishna. What is his name is Krishna? He is the incarnation of Krishna's Jnana Avis Avatar. And another, he was also blackish, as like blackish complexion. For this, Krishna. Two names. Why his name is Krishna? And Vasudeva Goswami's complexion was blackish, and also he is called the Krishna's Jnanavis Avatar. Avis Avatar. This incarnation of Krishna. Krishna, Dvaipayan, he is called Dvaipayan. He was born in the island, in the Joguna. Yesterday I told how Vasudeva, he was born in there. Yesterday I told. What is his mother's name?
Mother's name? Yes.
Vasudeva mother's name? Saptabhat. But everybody known her, what is her name? Matsya Gandha. So it's smell coming from her. The smell of the fish, Matsya. And yesterday I told this. But when Vasudeva born from her womb, then all her bad smell of fish disappear and sweet smell coming. And she was very beautiful and attractive. Actually, she is the daughter of one Demsa. Yesterday I told. So, Vasudeva Goswami, Janaki Krishna Dvaipayan Veda. Veda means he divided the Vedas. Understand? Vedas. How many Vedas? First is one Vedas. Then he divided in four. Rig, Sam, Joju, Atharva. Four Vedas. Then he also mentioned many. Ved, Upaved, and Sab Vedas. Many things. Then he also manifested many philosophy, Grantha, and Purana Itihasa, Puran Itihas, and many Puranas. He also manifested, he wrote many Puran. Itihas means Mahabharatam. That is called Pancham Ved, fifth Vedas Mahabharatam. He manifested his Mahabharatam. And Upanishad. This is Krishna Veda Vyas and Vistari. And he also told this Katha to Sukadeva Goswami. So for his regard, he is Krishna Dvaipayan Veda Vyas. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself manifested the Vyasa Puja. Generally, Mayavadis, Advaitavadis, they are thinking, they are, what is called? They are the provider. Eh? Only the Vedas. Actually, Mayavadis, they are not. Actually, they don't know the real meaning of Vedas. Impartialist. They don't know. Vedas, because Mayavadi impartialist, they have no faith. The Lord has transcendental form. They also worship to Lord, but they have no faith. Lord, Bhagavan, Krishna has transcendental body, Sachidananda Vigraha. Isvara Paramatma Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadi Adi Govinda, Sarva Karna Karna. They are thinking Lord has no form. Nirvises Nirakar, they are thinking Lord has no form. Only effulgent, Jatairumaya Brahma, they are thinking. Actually, Lord has beautiful form. So Mayavadis, they are Vyasa Puja. Actually, not the perfect Vyasa Puja. Do you understand? Why? Because they have no faith. The Krishna has transcendental form. So Advaitavadi, Mayavadis and Buddhists, they are called atheists. They are in the group of atheists. Why? Because they have no faith. Vedana Mania Bodho Vailo Nastik. One who does not accept Vedas, they are called atheists. Buddhists, they are thinking Ved is just someone and any mundane people wrote. This is not. Vedas is what? Sabda Brahma. Ved has written. Actually, Vedas is not written. Veda's name is called what? Shruti. Shruti means listening and remembering. Veda's one name is called Shruti. And in the beginning, the Rishi Munis, they are very intelligent. They can remember everything. They are listening to the Vedas Katha, Krishna Katha, Vedas Katha, and they remember. So for this regard, Vedas, one name is called Shruti. Shruti means listening and remember. Later people, Kali Yuga people, their memories is very going down. So for this regard, Vedas has written and manifested. Before Vedas were not written, just they are self-realization people. They spoke and others they listened. Yesterday I told self-realization is the best realization. That is called Sabda Brahma. This is the Praman Tattva. What is the Praman? Evidence. There are 10 types of evidence. But Sabda Pramani Mula Pramanam. Sabda Praman means that is called transcendental sound. You understand? Sabda Praman, that is called the evidence for the transcendental sound. This transcendental sound vibration coming from where? Krishna. Then that time Rishi Muni they realized these things. And that transcendental sound vibration they told their followers and they listening. For this regard, Vedas, one name is called, what did he say? Shruti. Shruti means one who listening and remembering.
Smriti, remember.
Shruti and same katha they remember. Listening and remembering. So Shruti and Smriti. But in Kali Yuga, then slowly people, their memory is going down. So for this regard, Vedas has written in Sanskrit words. This way is coming in this. So this is what it is. This is Guru Parampara Prabhu. Vedas Vani. Amnaya Praha Tattan Hariman Paramam Sabdasuddhim Prashabdhim Tadvinnan Sanskrit Jivan Prati Kavalitan Tam Vimstan Subhava Veda Prakasam Sapalam Upi Hare Sadhanam Suddha Bhaktim Saddham Tatprati Eva Upadishadi Ganana Gura Chandra so and so. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself gave this Vedas Vani. Eh? That is called the essence of Vedas, Prema Tattva. Amna Praha, Guru Parampara, Prapta Veda Vani. This Veda Vani is coming from in our discipline success. So Vasudev Goswami, he also wrote these things. All Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everything, Mahabharata, everything. But he is not happy. His mind disturbed. Why your mind disturbed? Sometimes your mind disturbed. Why the people mind is disturbed? Sometimes your mind disturbed. Why? Many reasons. Understand? But here Vasudev Goswami, he could not find out what is the disturbance of your mind. Conditional soul, disturbance mind, many reasons. But Vasudev, he is not the conditional soul. He is the Saptaves avatar. He is Mukta Mahapurush. You understand? He is completely what? Liberated person. But still his mind disturbance. Why? Yesterday I told. He could not find out the disturbance of his mind. Then he was sitting on the bank of the river of Saraswati. Why my mind is disturbed? In the meantime, Narada Rishi appeared. Perfect Guru Narada Rishi. Then Narada Rishi told, hey Vyas, the disturbance of mind, because you wrote the Ved, Puran, Upanishad, and everybody reading your Grantha, but people cannot understand who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, saying Bhagavan. Different Puranas explain different Bhagavan. If you read Shiv Puran, Shivji is Bhagavan. You read Shiv Puran, Tamasic Puran, and Shiv Puran. If you read Vishnu Puran, then Vishnu is Bhagavan. If you read Kurma Puran, then Kurmadev Bhagavan. If you read Nisingha Puran, then Nisinghadev Bhagavan. So his Lord is one, Bhagavan is one. So why many Bhagavan? Is my people. So who is the origin Bhagavan? Who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Then people mind disturbed. And yesterday I told, Trigunna Visaya Veda, Nistrigunna Bhavarjuna. Vedas also explain about three things. Vedas many things also, Karma Kanda, Yoga, a Karma Kanda Katha, Gyan Kanda Katha, and Bhakti Kanda Katha. Vedas also three things. Karma Kanda, because those are Kormi, they want to perform karma. Understand? For this, Vedas also saying, okay, you did this karma Kanda Katha. Gyanis, they want to acquire the knowledge for the Gyan Kanda Katha. Those that are devotees, they want to practice devotional service. Vedas also describe these things. Bhakti Kanda. So Vedas three things also. Karma Kanda, Gyan Kanda, and Bhakti Kanda. Understand? So people cannot understand what is the, what to not do. What is the best? People cannot understand. First, people mind disturbed. Who is the Supreme Personality of God is saying. And second, what is the ultimate goal? People cannot understand. And Krishna, they are reading the Krishna Katha, Puranas, many Purana Katha, Dwarka Lila, Mathura Lila, Vrindavan Lila, all the mixed. So people, they cannot understand. So this is come. And what is the Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha? So now this is told, you manifest latest Purana, Srimad Bhagavatam, and Srimad Bhagavatam, it clearly explains further. Sarva Vedanta Sarangi Srimad Bhagavatam Israti. Sarva Vedanta, all the essence of Vedas, that is called Srimad Bhagavatam. So learn this. Sarva Vedanta Saram. Sar means essence. The essence of Veda, that is called Srimad Bhagavatam. So write Vedas, Srimad Bhagavatam, Red Puran. What katha? Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Krishna, the Supreme Personality, is saying Bhagavan. You write this. Okay? Then you write Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Dharma means religion. Artha means economical development. Moksha means liberation. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. These four things are not and our ultimate goal. Okay? What is your ultimate? He clearly explain Krishna Prema. Prema Martha Mahan. Aradhu Bhagavan Brajastaniya Tadhaman Vrindavanam Brahma Kachidupasana Brajavadu Varganja Kalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanavaram Prema Pumarthamam Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Rumakamidam Tatradaro Naparaha. Aradhu Bhagavan Brajastaniya Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Who is Aradha Dev? Varinandana Samsundar, who is the Supreme Personality of God, who is called the source of all incarnation. Sarva Avatari. Sarva Avatari, who is the source of all incarnation. Ramadi Muttesu Kalamyamena Tistan Nana Avataro Makarod Bhuvanesu Kintu Krishna Sang Paramavat Para Pumana Pumanajo Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Vajami Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Vajami Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Vajami. How to know about him? Premanjana Charita Bhakti Vilochanan Santa Sadeva Hidaya Kusai Vilakanti Jansama Sundar Achinta Guna Sarupam Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami. Premanjana Charita Bhakti Vilochanena. When you hear your divine eyes of divine love, Premanjana Chakshu will come. We have two kinds of eyes. One is called eyes of love, or one is called eyes of lust. Our two eyes. And eyes of lust or eyes of love. Prema Chakshu, Kama Chakshu. So the Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochana. Bhakti will manifest. Then you can realize, you can understand. So the Premanjana Bhakti Vilochana Santa Sadaiva Hidesu Vilokanti Jam Sama Sundar Achinta Guna Sarupam. Sama Sundar, his name is called Sama Sundar. Achinta Guna Sarupam. Achinta means inconceivable. He has inconceivable potential, Achinta Sakti. And he has vast of qualification, Ananta Guna. They are saying, Premanjana Charita Bhakti Vilochana Santa Sadaiva Hidesu Vilakanto. Santa means those are high class, exalted devotees of Lord. In their heart they realize Krishna, who is called Sama Sundara Achinta Guna Sarupam. Achinta Guna. Achinta means inconceivable potential. Achinta. Beyond of the material conception. And Guna, and unlimited, innumerable qualifications. Guna Sarupam. This will be what? Premanjana Charita Bhakti Vilochana Santa Sadaiva Hidesu Vilokanti Sam Achinta Guna Sarupam Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami. So Narada is told, you also explain very clearly in Literature Puram Srimad Bhagavatam. The Krishnastu Bhagavan Sam Eti Chansa Kalapumsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Sam Indrari Vari Mudyanti Rupam Juge. And his time to time different yugas, he appears in this material world and he destroyed and he killed the demons, those who destroyed the Varnashram Dharma and established Varnashram Dharma, and he nourishment the pure devotee. with his divine love. So Krishna's to Bhagavan and same Bhagavan. Then second, you write, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. This is not our ultimate goal. Dharma, Prachita, Kaitu, Vatru, Parama, Nirmal, Saranam, Satam. Viddu, Vasavata, Tapatra, Mulam, Simad Bhagavati, Mahamuni, Kriti, King by Paririshara, Shraddu, Hridda, Avrudhati, Kritivi, Susruvi, Kanat. This is the glorification of Simad Bhagavati. Dharma, Prachita, Koito, Patra. Koito, Dharma means cheating propensity. In Srimad Bhagavatam, no any kind of cheating propensity. Many kinds of cheating propensity. But তার মধ্যে মোক্ষ বাঞ্ছা কৈত প্রধান যাহাইতে কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি on অন্তর্ধান. If you have desire to merge in Brahma, then Krishna Bhakti will disappear from you. তার মধ্যে মোক্ষ বাঞ্ছা কৈত প্রধান. One who has a desire to merge in Brahma, this is called his cheating propensity. So saying, Dharma prajito, prakishta ujita, Dharma prajito koitavo atra, Dharma prajito koitavo atra, Karma nirmasanami satam, Vedro vastava atra tapatra unilam. If you read Srimad Bhagavatam, then all your distress will be disappeared. Adnati, Adidevi, Adivati, Dharma, Prajita Koidavatra, Parama Nirmatsaram, Sudam, Vedda Vastuvatra, Taputrimudam, Srimad Bhagavati, Mahamuni Krite, Dimba Paririsha, Saddu Hridda Avaruddhati, Saddu Hridda Avaruddhati, Susruvi. Susruvi means desire to listen. That is called Susruvi, Sunne ki ichha. What did he say? Desire to listen. Even your desire to come to listen to Bhagavad Katha, then Krishna himself resides in your heart. He will sit in your heart. And all your unearthly automatically are destroyed. So he is saying this Katha. Saddo Hriddo Avaruddhati Kirtibhi Susruvi Tatkana. Just your desire to come, I will listen Bhagavad Katha, then all you unearthly. And when you start Krishna Katha, then prem manifests in your heart. So learn this. Dharma prajita kaitavatro parama nirmasanam sadam vedvasratro taputri mulam Srimad Bhagavate Mahamuni Kingba Paririsha Shraddo Hridda Avaruddhate Kritivi Susruvi Tatkana. Oh, now time. In this way, Srimad Bhagavata. So Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, this is not our ultimate goal. What is our ultimate goal? Krishna Prema. And Krishna Prema is highest prema, that is called Radha Prema. Radha Dasam, topmost place, that is called how to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. This is our ultimate goal. See Rupa Manjari Pada, say Moro Sampada, say Moro. This is our ultimate goal. Serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Sri Rupa Manjari Kara Arjita Pada Padma Krishna Bhudar Pita Mastaka Madhadakana Guri Padar Vidnam Sanabhyani Sakrishna Bhatim Karish Rupanugatta Bhajan Good Kumanu.